Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nankana Sahib, the city of gardens and heart of Pakistan, a place where Baba Guru Nanak meets modern vibrance and history blends with beauty. Enjoy the art, culture, and lush greenery that define this timeless city. Here, every corner has a story, and every moment is an experience.